Hello! Today's video is about how to use Nostock-Noshow to automatically update your Shopify storefront. Let's begin. As a store owner, you want to make sure for your customers to have a smooth experience shopping in your store. Customers don't want to see products that you offer on your site out of stock. It doesn't portray a professional image, and customers can get annoyed and go somewhere else for their shopping. That is why you need Nostock-Noshow app to help you hide the sold-out products from your Shopify store and also show them when they get back in stock. So what benefits does it have? It automatically hides sold-out products. Hiding sold-out products will increase sales conversion. With Auto Hide and Publish, you can free up your time. It manually hides and publishes products anytime you want. In addition to automatic, you can manually hide and publish your products anytime you need or want. It has a report of hidden products. You can check the list of hidden products, which is done by the app, and also reverse the task. Nostock-Noshow has great features like hide products manually. In addition to automatic functionality, you have the authority to hide or publish manually anytime by clicking on the Hide Sold Out Products button. You need to use this manual functionality to hide products which are already published before installing the app. Republish in-stock products. Seamlessly republish in-stock products. You can also schedule the task to hide or publish products. Nostock-Noshow app gives you the opportunity to set up the scheduler to run at a specific time according to your time zone, and all the products mentioned will be hidden or go for publishing at the time mentioned. You can also choose not to publish products with no images and exclude products from Hide and Publish by title name of the product. You can update information about a product from Hide and Publish by putting the title name of the product and check the task done in the last 24 hours, and you can even reverse the task as per your convenience. Now let me show you the user area. Here on the dashboard, you will see the total numbers of products that you have, total published products, and hidden products. Below here are the other settings, and I will show you each of them one by one. But first, let's visit the storefront. Here on the side, click on eye icon, and it will redirect us to the storefront. Select Catalog to view the items listed in your store. Here we can see the products that we have, even those that are currently out of stock. So the first feature I want to show you is that you can manually hide these out-of-stock products that are listed. When we go back to our dashboard, we can see here on the left side the Manually Hide Product section, and currently the Republish in-stock products button is enabled. If we click on Hide Sold Out Products Now button and view in on our report page, it is reported here that the action, if we manually or automatically set it, the number of products that was hidden, and the date and time of action will show. Now when we go back to our catalog, you will no longer see the sold out products because they are now hidden. And here on the dashboard, the total number will be updated. We now have 8 published products and 2 hidden products. Another feature is that you can reverse the action. By going back to Reports page, you can see a reverse button. If we click on that and return to the home page, again, the total numbers will be changed. Even in the catalog, the sold-out items are republished. Now to see all the products, on the sidebar, click on Products and a drop-down menu will appear. Select All Products. You can see all the listed products, their status, inventory, type, and vendor details. If you want to see more details about the product, just click on it. Also says here that it has 0 in stock. Another feature that Nostock-Noshow has is that you can exclude a product from Hide and Publish by title name of the product. You just have to copy the exact title name and enter in the title of the product and click on Add Product Title button. What will happen is that the item that we have entered will be excluded from every task. And again, it will show on your report and total numbers. Now here in Automatically Hide Product section on the right, you can enable these settings to automatically hide sold out products, republish in stock products, or don't publish products with no images. And you can also set the check-in time and the time zone. Then when it's all set, just click on Schedule Task, and it will do the work for you. Easy, isn't it? If you want to know more about Nostock-Noshow, just click on the Shop for Apps button and search Nostock-Noshow by Technic Force. And that is it for today's video on how to use Nostock-Noshow to automatically update your Shopify storefront. I hope you find this video helpful. As always, thanks for watching and see you on the next one.